and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? So to me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition.
Si Senator Bongo nandito. Sir!
Sir, magkala kami ng mic.
Sen BG! Kuya, sasigawan ko lang si Sen BG. Dito lang ako. Dito lang ako.
Layo na.